Hi all of you. My name is Chetan Singh and I am on the English speaking journey of 30 days challenge. As you know, from last some days I am recording myself and I am almost reached to the end of the challenge. So I am happy that I learned to be consistent with this video recording thing. And today I am gonna talk about a very small habit, but if you inculcate this habit in your life, it will just change your life entirely. It will change each and every aspect of your life in a positive manner. The habit which we'll get to listen normally when we just open our social media or YouTube, this topic always revolves in front of our eyes. It's about meditation. Many people knows that meditation is good for health, good for mind. It can just make you feel calmer, but very few people are aware how to meditate, how to start meditation. So today I'm going to talk about this thing, how you can start your meditation. First of all, I want to tell you meditation should be begin with three steps. The first one is you have to learn how to concentrate. That is the first thing which you have to learn when you begin to start meditation. First you have to sit in a silent place and your spine should be straight like this and your hand should be like this. It is a kind of position which helps you to just concentrate. When you touch your thumb with your finger and when you straight your spine, it helps to just give you the message to your mind that you are doing something important, and it just make you conscious. So just sit in that position, and after that what you have to do is you have to take any one object in front of your eyes. Your eyes can be open, there is no any issue with open eyes. Then you can concentrate on that particular thing, like for example, if there is a chair or any wall in front of your eyes, then you can just concentrate on that wall or on that chair for 5 minutes. So in the starting phase for 1 month you can try this, and once you get realize that you are getting better in concentrating and you are getting better in overcoming your thoughts, then you can switch to the second exercise, that is concentrating on your breath. After first exercise you have to close your eyes. The next month you can practice this thing with close your eyes and having a concentration on your breath. Once you get better in the concentration on your breath, then we switch to the third exercise. And but for second exercise it will take 1 month more to get better in that, to get better in concentrated on your breath. So once you get mastered in that concentration, after that you switch to the third stage. The third stage is very crucial. It will allow you to just dive deeper into your heart, to dive deeper into your mind, what's going on and what your mind is saying to you and what is trying to give you as a message. So once you get there, then you are in the proper meditative state, and you can just master all the three stages with some practice. Day by day you will get better in each and every exercise. And now if I tell about the benefits of meditation, it will give you a lot of benefits. First, you will get peace, your mind will become more calmer day by day. You will be able to control your anger, you will be able to control your stress. The most important thing is your concentration level will become double, and you will be able to handle each and every situation. You will be able to handle your emotions in a better way. So in that way it will give you many benefits, and these changes may be sounding very small to you right now, but I can bet you if you will accumulate these all qualities, at the end it will become a weapon with which you can just cut your all the negativities and all the bad circumstances of your life, and you can change your life for something better, and you can become a great version of yourself. That's why meditation is very important. Nowadays everyone is talking about this thing, but many few people know that how to do it and what are the ways to get into that proper meditative state. So that's why I thought I should share this thing with you, and today I came up with this particular topic. And I hope that you will start to do meditation. And one very most important thing which I want to share with you, that start from 5 minutes and stretch your time up to 20 minutes, not more than that or not less than that, but start from 5 minutes. You can start from 5 to 10 minutes and then stretch it from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, and that is the proper required time duration which is needed to get into the meditative state properly. I hope that you will implement these tips for get into the deep meditation state. And that's what I wanted to tell you today. And I always say one thing, that you have to be the change to see the change. So that is another part of your change, and it will elevate your life and elevate your thought process to the level where you'll be able to handle each and every situation of your life. So thanks for watching, and we will meet in next video with some other positive words. Stay tuned with me, and I'll meet you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye.